Engineered Math Random Solve Problem number 8. Evaluate the limit of 1 over ln x minus 1 over x minus 1 as x approaches 1. Kung i-try natin i-direct sub yung 1 sa mga x, makakaproduce tayo pareho dito sa dalawang term natin ng does not exist na limit. Kasi two-sided limit ito. I-test nyo yung right hand tsaka left hand limit. This will yield to plus minus infinity. So, the two-sided limit will not exist. So, ang gagawin ko is, i-combine ko muna siya as a single fraction. So, ang LCD bale ng ln x at x minus 1 is their product. X minus 1 ln x. So, x minus 1 ln x divided by ln x is x minus 1, then times 1, x minus 1. Then minus x minus 1 ln x divided by x minus 1. So that's ln x times 1 ln x as x approaches 1. And then, try natin ngayon i-direct sub yung 1 sa mga x. Bale, 1 minus 1 minus ln 1 over 1 minus 1 times ln 1, which is 1 minus 1, 0, minus ln 1 is 0, so 0 over 1 minus 1, 0, times ln 1, 0, 0 times 0, 0. So 0 over 0 is an indeterminate. So bawal i-accept as value ng limit. So applying L'Hopital's rule, pag may indeterminate tayo, ang gagawin nyo is kukuhaan nyo ulit yung limit as x approaches 1, pero i-derivative nyo pareho yung numerator and denominator. So, pag derivative natin yung x minus 1 minus ln x, derivative ng x is 1, minus derivative ng 1, 0. So, kung isusulat. Then, minus derivative ng ln x is 1 over x. Over sa derivative ng x minus 1 ln x, so product rule, right? Derivative ng uv is u dv over dx plus v du over dx. So, yung u natin is si x minus 1, tapos si ln x si v. So, copy lang si u, x minus 1, then times the derivative of v na ln x, 1 over x, plus copy the v ln x, times the derivative of u, x minus 1, sa derivative ng x is 1, minus derivative ng 1, 0, or simply 1 na lang. So, simplifying further, yung denominator, so magiging limit ng 1 over x, over, distribute ko tong 1 over x, bale, x times 1 over x, cancel mo lang yung x, so 1 na lang, minus 1 times 1 over x is negative 1 over x plus ln x times 1 ln x. Yan. Ngayon, try uli natin i-direct sub yung 1 sa mga x. So, bale 1 minus 1 over 1 over 1 minus 1 over 1 plus ln 1. 1 minus 1 over 1 is 0. Tapos 1 minus 1 over 1, 1 minus 1, 0, plus ln 1, 0. So, 0 plus 0 is still 0. So, indeterminate ulit. So, pwede nyo pa uling i-apply yung L'Hopital's rule kung indeterminate pa rin yung sagot. So, bali, i-derivative uli natin itong numerator and denominator. So, derivative ng 1 minus 1 over x, so derivative ng 1, 0, minus derivative ng 1 over x. So, pwede ko siyang isulat as x to the negative 1, right? Then, derivative ng x to the negative 1 applying power rule, babase negative 1. So, negative 1 times x raised to negative 1 minus 1. So, negative x to negative 2 or negative 1 over x squared. So, therefore, we have negative derivative ng 1 over x is negative 1 over x squared. So, bali magiging ano lang to, 0 minus negative 1 over x squared or positive 1 over x squared na lang. Then dito sa denominator, derivative din natin. So derivative ng 1, 0. So again, no need to write na yung 0. Then minus derivative ulit ng 1 over x. So same lang, negative 1 over x squared plus derivative ng ln x is 1 over x. So ito magiging positive 1 over x squared na siya. Then, limit as x approaches 1. Ngayon, try natin i-substitute uli yung 1 sa x kung hindi na siya indeterminate. Bale, 1 over 1 squared over 1 over 1 squared plus 1 over 1. So, 1 over 1 squared is 1. Over 1 over 1 squared 1 plus 1 over 1, 1. So, bale, 1 over 1 plus 1, 2. So, hindi na siya indeterminate. Define na yung value niya. So, therefore, ito na yung limit natin, 1/2.